Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a Google account to your Android phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Setting Gear button. And now you want to scroll down and select the Security and Privacy button. And just go ahead and select any of the options underneath settings that say add a Google account under. So just go ahead and select that. And then you would select add Google account. And then you just would go about syncing up your Google account at this point to your device. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.